Hello, and thank you for taking the time to watch our short presentation. For more information on what SolarHeart Consulting can do for you, please visit us at www.solarheart.com, or you can send an email to epmpractice@solarheart.com. This short video is going to focus on some of the challenges that most implementations face, and also some of the common challenges during the data entry process. The first challenge in any design or implementation are the number of clicks a user has to cycle through in their day-to-day activities during the forecast or planning process. The more appealing and user-friendly the design, the greater for success and acceptance. The second challenge, unfortunately, is user data entry errors. Today we will focus on ways to alleviate reducing the number of steps or clicks a user has to cycle through. And we will also focus on how to take steps to minimize user data entry errors. Now, there are various ways to accomplish what we will present in this video. However, the key is to utilize the technology to your advantage. With that, let's go ahead and move on to the sample presentation. Oracle Hyperion EPM Planning has many features and functionality to help the users with accurate data entry by implementing checks and balances. Here we are going to make some data updates, and the system is going to identify these inconsistencies and will flag them accordingly with an explanation on how to resolve. So we will go ahead and download a very simple form, in this case related to labor. The assumption here is that all this data has been sourced from a system. So when a user from a planning and forecasting perspective goes in and starts to update data, the system is smart enough to start to identify where there are some inconsistencies with the data being entered. So we're making some changes to the data, and we're going to go ahead and submit that information. As we can see, here are the inconsistencies. Now if we go ahead and click on that particular cell, we're going to be provided with a description and a possible fix. So the employee has been flagged as an hourly employee, however the salary information has been submitted. Need to enter submit hourly and remove salary information or update the pay type to salary. Okay. If we look at the next item here, the employee has been flagged as hourly, however, we've submitted salary information with that update. If we go over to an employee that has a transfer date, we can see check transfer date as it is prior to or equal to the same date as the transfer date in. So as we can see, the person was transferred into this department as of November. However, we transferred them out prior to November. Again, these are steps that can be taken to increase reliability and confidence on the system. The next item to discuss is how planning can help the user experience. The less time the user spends clicking around and getting to an action, the more efficient they will become. Now, there are various actions we can cover. However, we will focus on two simple actions: transferring an employee and removing a record. So here we're going to take Ruben, for example. We're going to take his record and transfer him out of the current entity and over to a new target entity. So we're going to transfer him out of this entity into a target. I'm just going to go over to main, select OK, identify and provide the dates that that person is going to transfer in and out. So they're going to transfer into the new department as of today, the 19th, and then they transferred on out as of the 16th. I'm going to select OK. The logic will run, automate those steps. There's the transfer date out populated. So if we head on over to main, select refresh, and there's Ruben. Ruben has been transferred over to main as of the 19th. Now let's say that we made a mistake and he really shouldn't have been transferred. We can simply right click, go to Smart View, and remove the record. Select OK. And now he's gone. Now we can go back to Delaware, refresh, and remove their transfer date out. And there we go. As you can see, we have covered a couple areas on how to improve the user experience and how the system can help build confidence in the results by minimizing data entry errors. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to learn more about how Solarheart Consulting can help you, visit us on the web or send us an email. Thank you.